Well, hello everybody. It's time for some more content creation. Hey, what do you know about that? It's time to create more content. Okay, so as you know, I have this here microphone. Maybe you don't know. Okay, well I got this here microphone. Okay, so this is my happy little microphone. Let's see if it works. Yes, it still works.
And I had the time of my life, and I never felt this way before.
It's got good echo. I can sing. I know I can sing. I'll sing all your favorite hits at some point. But the problem with this microphone is got a little feedback. It'll start kicking in pretty soon. But if you like, wait, it's not doing it right now. Oh well, needless to say, I've been looking for a karaoke mic upgrade because I enjoy singing. Matter of fact, this is my secret for doing stand-up comedy so well, is the fact that I wouldn't go out and do stand-up comedy every night. I would spend 2 nights a week doing karaoke. Alright? Now, the reason why you want to do karaoke as opposed to doing open mics is to build stage presence. Okay? That way, when you go up on stage, you're a rock star. Okay? That's how I trained to be a rock star comedian. Because if you haven't seen I did this video called Black Jokes about like 2012, and it's got like 20 reaction videos from people who were doing reaction videos, and they were all like, damn, this guy's funny. Because I have a lot of confidence on stage. Why? Because of karaoke. So if you're going to do stand-up comedy, I can recommend one thing, and that's to do karaoke. So that's why I love karaoke so much. Plus, it's a great way to meet girls. If you can get good at singing, you can get the ladies. It's neat like that, but regardless, but I got a new microphone, so you hear that? That is the feedback I was talking about. Alright, let's turn that off. Okay. Now, guess where I went? I went and got me a new karaoke microphone. I was hoping they had the pink one, just because I'm confident with my sexuality, and I think it would be fun to get a bunch of crap for doing karaoke on a pink microphone, but whatever. Instead, I got this golden goose. Karaoke wireless mic and speakers, features portable design, metallic finish, voice echo effect, Bluetooth compatible, and FM radio? Ooh. Full media controls, 3-watt built-in speaker, because that's power. TF card slot. To F that is. And volume control, speaker, voice effect, wireless. Contents. Karaoke wireless mic. Operations manual, micro USB charging cable. Alright, and look at her. She's like, I can sing on a gold microphone. Oh my god, I just noticed that. Almost looks like this guy has a middle finger up in the back. It's hysterical. Oh, that's freaking funny. I'm always end up finding stupid shit like that. But yeah, it looks like there's a middle finger right there, but whatever. Alright, so that's the karaoke microphone. Let's open it up. Let's get the work tool out. Alright. My friend gifted me this knife. He was a security guard at the Comedy Store. And he took it off some dude, and then later on he goes, "Hey man, want a knife?" So I got a knife. And alright. Alright. We got it open. Safety first. Let's put that knife away. Oh. Dang it. Why aren't you closing? Stupid knife. I hate these dumb knives. Maybe you got press both. There we go. It's new knife, haven't ever used it. So unboxing, we're opening it up. Hey, there's the instruction manual. That looks thick. Look at that. Hey, we're lying. There's that micro USB cable. And then plastic. Little dome for the microphone. And then, wow. I feel like royalty holding this thing. My lord. Jiminy Christmas. It's got a USB plug-in. You see that? Got a TF card. Got the plug-in for the controller. I mean, USB. And it's got all these buttons. What did I say? It says Preve. Next. There's mic volume, echo, play, pause, volume. Funny voice. Oh, we gotta try that. How do we turn this thing on? Is it even... Hold on. I got an idea. Why don't we look at the instruction manual? I'll just put that right here for now. Alright, let's get the instruction manual. Okay. Loads of instructions. Thank you for purchasing this BMI Wireless Karaoke Wireless Mic Speaker. Please read all instructions carefully before using and retain the manual for future use and reference. Oh, thank you for that. It's funny, when I was in the military, that's all I used to do is read Army manuals and try to figure out how to make things work. So, I don't know. I'm going to bypass these and just go straight to the microphone. Let's see if it has a charge. Here's the on-off switch. Woo! Hello? Hello? Oh, this thing's really... hello? 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 Yeah! Do 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 do. Oh, let's see what. Hold on, let's see what funny voice sounds like. I pressed the funny voice. Hold on. Hello? Okay, let's take off. Let's take it off. Echo. It's now off. Echo. Even though it sounds like it's still on. Echo. Funny voice. Funny voice. Hello? Hello? Oh. Oh. No way! Oh wow, this is... Wow. Okay. Wiki, 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 wiki. Wiki, 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 wiki. Now Superman had come to town to see who he could rock.
He blew away every crew he faced until he reached our block. His speakers were 3 stories high and woofers made of steel. And when he turned his power on, he said, "Hi, you for real?" Oh, wow. Yeah, we know. This is hysterical, okay? I am dying right now. This sounds just like the Wiki guys from the Nucleus Jam On It song. Wiki. Shut up. I have that album on vinyl. That was the first album, the first rap album I ever owned. It's true. We'll talk about that at some time, point, whatever. Alright. This is too damn funny. Oh god, wait, hold on. What was I just thinking? Oh god, I had... it's stuck in my head. I can't think of it. When I do think of it, I'll come back on and talk about it, okay? But right now I'm gonna turn off the funny voice. Oh god, that was wicked. That was pretty cool. Alright, my voice is normally low, but this makes it come out a little bit higher. I sound like, do you listen to Longmont Potion Castle at all? No? Okay, I sound like one of the things that he did. I don't know. If you're not listening to Longmont Potion Castle, just take a few minutes. Go to YouTube, type in Longmont Potion Castle, and just have yourself a good laugh. Wait, hold on. I think there's more than one funny voice. Hold on, can I turn this off? Hold on. Okay.
Oh my god, there's multiple funny voices. I was wrong, it wasn't just the Wiki voice. This sounds like I'm on Whippets. Oh, that's great. I should do a comparison. I should go get my Whippets right now and just, like, do a comparison of which one is different. Because in my comedy act, I used to do imitations on Whippets. And I would do Silence of the Lambs. Because it'd go like, put the lotion in the basket. Put the lotion in the fucking basket. Luke, I'm your father.
This is pretty cool. Alright, so let's see if there's any more. I think there's only 3, but I don't know. I didn't read the manual. You saw me not read the manual. I put the manual down. It's really small print, okay? That's my excuse. Really small print. But hold on, let me hit the button again. Okay. Oh, wow, it went even deeper. Oh. Ooh. Swing low, sweet chariot. This is too deep. This is almost frighteningly deep. This almost sounds like a burp or my stomach gargling. It is pretty cool though. I mean, I kind of like it. I like voice augmentation devices. I think they're really awesome. So that's why I like Longmont Potion Castle. But this is the next best thing, I guess. Let's hit the button again. Let's see what happens. Can it go any lower? Maybe it'll be like a dog whistle and I can talk to dogs. We'll see. Let's hit the button again. Hello? Oh! It's that guy and his voice again. Yeah. I don't know why, but I want to sing a Motley Crue song right now, but at the same time I don't, if that makes sense. My motorcycle is big ass, but head full of grease and my head feels right. Ah, God, I love karaoke. It's fun. It's what it's all about. Let's hit the echo again. Echo. This is the echo.
Is it? Hold on. Am I echoing? Yeah, I'm echoing. Okay, if I turn it off. Okay, I can audibly hear a difference. I can audibly hear a difference. Domo arigato, Mr. Roboto Domo. Hey! Yeah. Uh-huh. It's like candy. I can feel it when you walk. Even when you talk, you take over me. Alright, let's play with. Okay. I'm back. Christmas time is here. Time for joy and time for cheer. Oh, that's what it was. The Butthole Surfers. Crazy fucking world. Crazy, crazy fucking world. If you know what song I'm talking about, then you know. If not... Okay, it's the song Jimmy off Hairway to Steven by the Butthole Surfers. It's the first song on the album. It's an amazing song. I recommend doing hallucinogens if you listen to it. Personal opinion. Alright, let's see what the second one was again. Okay, we're down here at the... It's still a little bit higher than my regular voice. It's got that echo. Hold on, let me see what happens if I turn off the echo. Okay, it actually... Whoa, okay. It makes it sound different. I didn't know if there was going to be a difference between using the echo like I am right now and not using the echo because it just turned off because I never decided to plug it in and charge it. I just pulled it right out of the box and used it immediately. So I'm probably going to charge it up now. Make a great time, probably. But yeah, honestly, I mean, for 3,300 tickets, let's just say I'm happy. And I got me this here golden karaoke microphone. So I might just sing to you. So if there's any songs you want me to sing, just leave it in the comments or not. I don't know. I don't know. I think it's cool that I got this thing. Pretty rad, huh? Yeah. Anyway. Alright. I'm actually going to go for a walk to Dave & Buster's. I had to get this, okay? Dave & Buster's switches out their merchandise every March and September. Being that it's close to September, I normally wait until around the end of the... Like, if it's September, when they bring in the new prizes, August is when they start discounting the prizes. So that's because they're trying to roll over their inventory. So that's a little hint for you. But I've been going up there just trying to get some deals and discounts. I've gotten a couple. But, and also I wanted to get these microphones before. I didn't know if they were, the people working there don't know if the merchandise is coming back or not. And like I said, I really wanted the pink microphone. They had like pink, black, silver, and gold. And I'm happy I got the gold. There you go. The Olympian takes the gold. I'm going to be in the Olympics next time for karaoke here in Los Angeles. So, alright, well, I'm happy with my new microphone. And if anybody wants this one, maybe we'll do a giveaway or something, okay? 100 subscribers, I'll give away the karaoke microphone. There you go. Oh, who doesn't want that, huh? Yeah. Fun. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.